Oh cool, this game looks fun. I think I need to claim a hive first. Okay, just that I claim this hive now, so I just need to put the egg now. Now I'm just oh cool, I got like a basic bee, so let's get pollinating or just what?
Just get like the dandelion pollen. Just get that.
So it's just only that?
Also blah 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 blah. Okay, this is your silver egg. Go get newbie.
Oh, newbie. This will help.